What's up guys, it's Andrew. I'm going to show you today how I put finish on my outdoor furniture. Now this is not a one size fits all, but this is kind of like what I like to do. Spar Urethane is going to give it a really nice protection, and it's going to give it this nice yellowish tone that I really enjoy. I should have put it on a while ago. I did build this probably about a year ago, but I deployed and I didn't get a chance to put it on before I felt the wood was dry enough. So fast forward a year later and it's time to put some finish on this. So we'll sand it down, throw some Spar Urethane on it, and then we'll come out with this finished product. So stick around guys, we'll get into it.
Just like any wood project, the first thing for us to do is to sand it down to our desired grit. And for this project, being an exterior bench, I start with 80 grit, then 120, and finally 180 before I'm satisfied. For every grit, I like to make pencil marks all over the workpiece. When the pencil marks are gone, I know it's time to move on to the next grit. Using pressure-treated wood for an outdoor furniture has many benefits, like the fact that it has undergone a special process to make it more durable and less likely to decay. That being said, we can assist it by adding a finish to not only lengthen its life, but also make it look a little more aesthetically pleasing. A question you might have is, how do you know when the lumber is dry enough for us to finish it? And I use the old water test. If it beads up, I give it a little longer to dry. If it soaks in, we're good to go. In between each grit, I always vacuum the project to remove all dust before moving on to the next grit. And just before applying finish, I wipe it down with a tack cloth to remove any stubborn dust particles or objects. Lastly, I apply 2 to 3 coats of Spar Urethane, sanding lightly with 220 grit in between. And after a few brush strokes, that's it.
So that's it guys. I think it came out really well. If you look at the color of the wood, the Spar Urethane kind of leaves it a little bit of a, I don't know, a yellowish kind of tone to it, but I kind of like it. I think it brings out and has it pop a little bit, and it's got a little nice coat of protection on there. So this bench should serve my family well for many years to come. If you guys found some value in this today, or if you guys want to see more videos like this, please hit me up in the comment section. Give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.